Hello guys, nagluto ko kanang nilagang baboy guys. This is a Filipino dish. Nagibutangan og sweet corn, cabbage. This is perfect for the cold weather. Yan, gibutangan na og bell pepper. Guys, pakuluan lang siya. You combine all together all the ingredients. Tapos, you have to boil it. Pakuluan lang. Tapos seasoning to your liking. Lagyan ng maraming cabbage kasi favorite ko yan. It's good for you too. I-mix lang tapos takpan para maluto yung cabbage. Ayan na, luto na. Ready na to eat. This is for lunch and dinner already. Yan guys, mga unata. Kaunata. Let's eat. Babush.